There's no way I'm getting through that. Oh my gosh, dude, look at how deep the snow is. Alright, well, it was worth a shot. Oh, it's the boy. Howdy, partner.
GoPro on.
Yeah. I got the goons. Oh, it's so good to be on my bike, dude. Cows. Hi, cows. There's a back way into the trail that I'm trying to get to. It's not even a trail, it's like a really crazy class 6 road, but there's a back way into it. Over here, somebody was like waiting for their kids to get off the school bus or something. New Hampshire people are so insane about calling the cops for everything that like it makes going anywhere where you see the slightest person very unenjoyable. So I went around the back way. We'll see if like there's humans around, and then if not, we'll just cut through. I'm assuming there's a huge snowbank blocking us. Want to just run it? Yeah, this is too deep. Alright, that's way too deep. There's no way I'm getting through that. Oh my gosh, dude, look at how deep the snow is. Alright, well, it was worth a shot. This is way too deep. I am so stuck. And my GoPro's dying. I'm making it out. I'm out of here. That did not work as planned. Alright, my GoPro's dying. That snow is way too deep. I'm just gonna ride. Thanks for watching.